Okay, so to embed videos in the LMS, you have to go to the particular course page. So I'm using our Management Information Systems course page. So I'll go to week one. Yeah, so let me go to week one. So under week one, I'll go to activities. So when you go to the activities, you can look for label. So I think we use label to embed multimedia files on the LMS. So this is the label option. So I'm going to select that. Okay, so once it is selected, so they will give you the general yeah, text box here. So yeah, so once you come to the general, you can use this arrow to go down to show more buttons. All right, so I'll press this arrow and then it will show more buttons. So you are looking for this particular icon, the one with the greater than and less than with a slash in between. So that is what we are looking for. That is the HTML. So I'll hit on the HTML. So it will give you HTML code. Yeah, so this is where we'll embed it. Then we'll have to go and copy the embedded code. Yeah, so to do that, I've already shared the video lectures with you. Yeah, so let me go back. So this is the video lecture file I shared with you. So it's on Google Drive. So let me just go back and then, okay, so my drive. So the name of the file I shared with you is yeah, MIS Video Lectures MBA Online. So this is the file I shared with you. So once you open that file, you'll see all the video lectures I've made for week one. Okay, so I just uploaded them. So some of them may still be processing by now. So let me just go for week one lecture three. Okay, yeah. So if you are to open it in another Windows or in another tab. So I'll right click and then I'll open. Okay, so I think I can double click to open it. Yeah. So once you double click, it will open and then
Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing.
yeah, so but we need to open it in a different tab. Yeah. So I think the option will be here. Okay. So open in new window. So once you open the video, you have to open it in a new window. So you come for that option here, open in new window. So it has to open a new window before you can get the embedded code, the code for you to embed. So now it's open in a new window, and then I can go to the action buttons here. Then once you click, you get a drop down, and then you have what embed item. Okay, so you have the embed item. If you don't open it in a new window, you won't find the embed item. So I'll click embed item and I'll copy the HTML code. So you have to just copy everything that is here. So once the code is copied, we'll go back to the LMS and then we'll embed it here. So so you usually embed it in between the line here. So we have something here. Yeah, so that is where you embed it. So let me just paste it there. Yeah, so now it's embedded, and then once it's embedded, then you have to leave the HTML mode. So I will simply click on the HTML icon here. So it takes me back, and then you can see that the video has been embedded. So I'll just save and return to course, and then we'll get back to the course page, and then you can see that it has been embedded. So that is a video embedded in under week one. Okay. Yeah, so I think that is how to embed it. I think the part that you have to pay attention to is when you are opening the video. So so once you get to the Google Drive, the file I shared with you. Yeah, so I think you have to open a new tab. Yeah, so let me see if I can get it direct here. Yeah, open a new window. Yeah, so I think that is what you should do. So let's say open with no more no. So it's not the open with. So I think first you have to open it. Just double click it to open.
Hello everyone.
Yeah. So
Today we will be discussing the character.
once you double click and it opens, you now go to at the action button here, and then you can now open a new window. Yeah, so first you have to just double click it to open, and then you go to what open it in new window. Well, when you look at it this way, you wouldn't find the embed item there. But if you open a new window, yeah, it takes you to a new window. Then if you come to check again, then you find the what embed item, and then you can copy it. Yeah, so that is how to embed videos in the LMS.